Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for Tuesday, July 19th, 2016. Okay, and what we have in front of us, I want to take a closer look at what's happening with the euro. The euro currency, after we had that Brexit vote, this was the day of the Brexit. Huge down candle. The market moved from roughly just above 114 to 109, and then it closed above 111. And then we have had a consolidation pattern here, and the markets want to break down below this consolidation pattern. So if I do a rough draw of the consolidation pattern, this is what's happening. This was a consolidation pattern. On the 4-hour chart, you see that it is a rough triangle, and what we're appearing to do right now is break out of this consolidation pattern. It's not confirmed as of yet, but and to confirm it, we would like to see the market close below 110 and move into the 109.50 and also below 109. So that's what could be happening here with the euro currency, or the euro versus the US dollar. Keep in mind we're still in a trading range, and this range has really lasted a long time. It bottomed out in March of 2015, and as you know, we're in 2016 now. So the euro has had almost a year of sideways action, and what that tells me is that this breakout could be fairly significant and could definitely move in whichever direction the market breaks. And that's one of the things you have to be able to do as a trader. You have to be able to anticipate what could happen and prepare yourself for it. So that's what's happening here with the euro. Just looking, we're seeing the market trade just above the 120, the 110 area. Now, contrasting the euro to the US dollar index, as you can see, the US dollar index, this is a composite of all of the major currency pairs, and we see that the US dollar index is also in a broad trading range. Bottom of the trading range here, the dollar was in a channel type situation. If we go down to the 4-hour chart, we see the market roughly in a triangular situation, similar setup with the euro. And what we are doing now is breaking above this triangle. So maybe what we are going to see is we're going to see more gains in the US dollar in the weeks to come. Remember that the US dollar did bottom here in May, and ever since we took out this high in the 95 region, market traded back down, took out this high. So if we want to label this A, this B, this C, where will this D high end? We could get a pullback into E. And the ultimate target is, or the ultimate thing to look for is, if the market is able to take out this level near the 100 region. I could do the same thing for the euro, because the US dollar index is almost a mirror image of the euro. If the market traded up to resistance, traded down, took out these lows here, went up again and made a new low. So if we say this is A, B, C, D. And for any of you who have been on my webinars, you know that we pay particular importance to what price action is telling us, and we're not trying to guess the direction of the market. We're just looking at the momentum that prices have at this point in time. Okay, so that's what's happening with the euro currency. Over the next week, couple of weeks, days to couple of weeks, we could see this market move further to the downside. Taking a look at another interesting pair is the Japanese yen. As you can see, the Japanese yen is in a broad downtrend on the daily chart, moving roughly from 124 down to 100, the 100 level, 2400 pip move. Market is now retracing, and what we could see is, if we label this A, B, maybe this we're retracing into the C point to then head back down to D. That's what could be happening. I'm not saying definitely that's what will happen, but that's what could be happening here with the Japanese yen. Doing a Fibonacci retracement study, we see that we're coming up to the 618 retracement level at the 106.73 is the 618 retracement level. Also, this 106.73 region is where we had resistance just before the Brexit vote. This was the candle for the Brexit vote. Moved down, and we're trading just shy of that level currently with the US dollar, Japanese yen. But the trend in this market still remains down. And if I was a swing trader, I will be looking for sell opportunities in this market. Similar situation with the euro yen. Market is coming up, or is trading at the 618 retracement level around the 117.20 region, and we could see a move down in the value of the euro versus the Japanese yen. So there are some interesting moves that could be getting on the way here in the forex markets. The final market to look at is the British pound. After this massive move down, we see that the British pound has not retraced much. Its retracement so far hasn't even reached a 38% retracement from this big drop down to 128 from 150 in the British pound. Okay, so that's what's happening with the forex markets, and as I said before, there are opportunities out there in the markets now. We just have to keep our eyes open and take advantage of these opportunities in the markets. And coming up into the summer, we could see even greater opportunities ahead of us. Thank you very much for listening. For those of you who want to get more information on this method, you can attend the webinar. To register for the webinar is a link below this video. You should be able to register for the webinar. Thank you very much for listening, and have a wonderful day.